Hey guys, welcome to APYEAR channel. My name is Oleg. Today I'll do unboxing of one of the cheapest TikTok electric bicycle. So this bicycle I got from TikTok shop. It's A1. Again, if you like this bike, you might want to check link in description. And if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. Like this video for algorithm and for me. So let's open up and see how the bicycle actually packed. And here's how it will look from the top. And I'm gonna show you what is inside over here. So this one most likely charger. Looks like a large one. And this 2 amp charger, which comes with a fan, which is very good. Most chargers does not have fan, so it's actually very good charger supposed to be. It might have some noises, but it will not get overheated. That's a very good charger included. See what is inside here. So you're gonna find foldable pedals, lock, and the tools. Also user manual for A1. Okay, so let's see how heavy it is if I can pull it out. Oh, actually it's light compared to other bikes. So once you remove from the box, you can install the seat if you want to. You don't have to, you can do it at the end. And then just remove the zip ties. It comes with a lot of protection, looks like. Even the wheels cover it. So you would just remove it. And some people reuse a zip tie. So it's basically assembled already. And that's a bike. You just remove this one. So the bike is almost assembled. So what you do, you just bring this stem up. Okay. Close this latch. I'll show you later in the video how to close this latch correctly. Bring this handlebar up, insert it, and close another latch right here. So the handlebar is adjustable, so you can lock in to the desired position. Next step will be attaching the pedals. Right going to the right side, left to the left. You will see the marking. So this is the right side, and just attach it this way. And then you use this tool to tighten up. Okay, and you do exactly the same thing on the other side. And here's the A1 model. Once you assemble, so assembly is very simple. So again, I'll show you how I will look on this bike. Right now the handlebar up to the top, the seat as well. I'm 5'11", so it is a pretty comfortable position as a mini bike to ride. Straight up position, mostly like this. You can lower the seat 27 inches from the ground or lift it up like this 33 inches from the ground. The handlebar can go as low as 33 inches from the ground or as high as 40 inches from the ground. So it's very adjustable. Also the step over frame, it's about 20 inches from the ground. This seat is for the kids to ride, I guess, 20 inches from the ground. I would not recommend for the kids to ride on it, but again, ride it at your own risk. It is very solid bike, nothing shaky on this. Come with a full fenders, both nice tires. Also it come with a mechanical disc brakes, which is 160 millimeters. Also come with a nice headlight, tail light, which is pretty bright as you can see. And here's a brake light. So once you push the brake, regardless if it's tail light on and off, it will activate the braking light. A1 model comes with a 3-speed pedal assist right here, easy to switch. Headlight on and off switch. Also button to start the bike, pretty simple. It comes with a horn, very loud, and it comes with a full throttle. And once you twist it, it will work. You can use it as motorcycle, use the throttle only, or you can use pedal assist. It comes with cadence sensor right here, so basically it will trigger the power once you start to pedal it. Come with a shock on the middle, which give you a little bit help, but not as much. Also the carry-on handle, which is good. Removable battery, which is 48 volt, 12 amp. Very easy to remove. You just bring this seat up. Over here is a trigger, pull it up, and use the handle to remove it, but before you start to remove it, make sure you unlock. Over here is a key to unlock it and lock it. So basically it's a lockable battery, and you can charge it on the bike or off the bike. So once you lock it in, you would need to insert this power cord in. Make sure it's inserted correctly, and you can ride it. The seat is very comfortable. It's kind of have the own suspension on the back as well. Fork give you 1-inch travel. And when you start to pump the air in the tires, make sure it's sitting very well, because if it's not sitting correctly, you may get your tube exploded. So pump air slowly, and it's good to pump with electric pump if you have one. It will be very fast and easy. At the same time, you're gonna know exactly how much PSI you put. This tires is good 35 to 45 PSI pressure. So make sure you check before you start to ride. And A1 comes with 1 gears, so there's no worry to switching the gears. Very simple, and decent front crank as well. And the controller hidden underneath, looks like in a plastic box right here, so it's well isolated as well from the sun. I want to show you how to fold and unfold. So this is a latch similar on the frame as well. So once you open, you would push it to the side, and this way it will open up. And when you want to put it back, you basically just pull it up, turn around this latch, and close this down like this. Okay, and same thing you're gonna do on the frame. And now I'm gonna show you how easy to fold it. So basically, first I would fold the pedals by pushing. It's very easy to fold it. Then I would fold the frame. You just open up this latch as I showed before, push it up, down, put with your knee like this. Okay, just like that. And then you would open the latch, just like that, and turn around. Okay, and that's how it will foldable. You can basically remove the seat if you want to. You can carry it, put it in your car or trunk. Very easy. And to open up, you just basically pull up the handlebar, close this latch, open up. Make sure you hear the click. You would close this latch, open the pedals, and you would be able, let's see, turn around. Oops. Make sure you turn it off actually. Move around and go for a ride. Alright, so let's go and see how good this bike is, how fast it can go on throttle only, and then we'll see if you can pedal the bike. I'm 5'11", so I'm tall, and this bike actually kind of quick acceleration, and I think this one is more powerful than the previous similar bike I tested. So we're gonna stop, we're gonna come over here. As always, I'll stop and go. So this bike comes with 3 speed, 1, 2, 3, easy to switch, headlight, horn, very loud horn actually, and on and off button right over here. So very simple, and there's a battery indication. There's no odometer on this bike, so it makes it very easy. So let's go and see. Throttle only. 10. Oh, nice acceleration. 15 already. 16, 17. Oh, it's already faster. 18. So far 18 miles an hour, and I'm heavy, so 80 miles is very good actually for the mini bike like this, for this price. Very nice. It's faster like the other model I tested, and the battery it's larger, so it's very solid 18. I'm gonna turn around and I'll try to pedal it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna increase the seat position right here. I'll stop here. So right now it's not that high. I'm gonna increase it, so I'm gonna be pedaling much better for me. All right. And let's go. So it's more sporty style now, and let's see how fast I can pedal it. Alright, so ghost pedaling will be up to 12 miles, and then I'll just, it comes with current sensor, so I'll just turn my feet and it would basically activate it. But looks like it does not activate. I don't turn that fast, so it will, yeah, only like 16 miles an hour I would say. But yeah, I don't want to go that fast, because when you start to move your feet too fast, you might lose the balance. But yeah, that's all. So I'm gonna go and stop on the stop sign to see how the brakes works. So I'll get about 80 miles an hour now and stop. Wow, it's actually locking the wheel again, like so. Make another line over here. I tested yesterday the bike over here, so it's locking the rear wheel. Very good braking actually for this speed, 80 miles an hour. It's great. The air pressure in the tires can be between 35 to 45, and I believe I put like 40 psi. The brakes are mechanical, 160 millimeters, which can easily be adjusted. And if you don't know how to adjust them, you might check link in description or take it to the bike shop. So I'm gonna test it out now, pedal assist level 1, to see how fast I can get on pedal assist level 1 with pedaling. Actually about 11-12 miles an hour. Oh, it's 40 miles an hour. That's pretty quick. 15. So looks like pedal assist level 1 can go up to the top speed. Let's see the throttle only. I'm gonna stop here. So actually when you use pedal assist, regardless what pedal assist level you're gonna use, looks like it's going all the way to the top. So let's try again, throttle only. So you see if it can go slow. Okay, it's going about 10, 12, so about 13 miles an hour. So 12 would, so it looks to me that some bicycle going, and let's see over here, a lot of bumps. So many bicycle comes with different type of pedal assist system setup, like settings. So this one comes with power setup. So basically it looks like on pedal assist level 2 I may be able to get to the top speed as well. It will take longer, so it will produce less power basically. So it's distribute less. Oh yeah, it's about 60 miles an hour on level 2. And it's not really cutting off, it just produces less power. 60 miles, and then I go 3 and I feel like kicking, and it will take me to 18. Okay, so let me explain how it works in this bicycle. So it's not like based on the speed you're gonna reach, it's based on power will produce. So pedal assist level 1 will produce up to the top speed with pedal assist or with throttle, but it will produce less power, so less voltage, so basically it will discharge the battery less. And then level 2 will do more, and level 3 will be top and will give you more torque if you need to go uphill and so on. So it's basically controls the power. The shock in the middle, in the frame, I don't really feel much of action, but it is soft and smooth ride on this bike. I would say it's pretty stable for this type of bike, which is 14-inch. Pretty comfortable to ride it as well, even for 5'11" person. If you're shorter, it will be even better. If you're lighter, you might go even faster. So if you're lighter, you will go over 20 miles an hour probably. I weigh 215. And I notice this direction is going a little bit faster, so I'll show you what the top speed is gonna be on throttle only. And it's 18 right now, 19, so it's hit 19. I'm not sure if it's just direction, but what I did actually, yeah, looks like 19 miles an hour, very solid. Let me stop here and explain what I did. Basically I turn off power, twist the throttle, hold the brakes, and then turn on the power. Hold it for 5-6 seconds and release the throttle and brakes. And now it's going about 19 miles. I'm going to test again over here to see what the top speed I'm going to get. Maybe it's a release limiter as well. It does work on some of the bicycles, some of them does not. It's like kind of speed hug. 17, 18, let's see, 19. So it looks like 19 is the top speed. And very solid 19, I would say. And I think if you're lighter, you're gonna get at least 20 miles an hour if you're under 200 pounds on the flat road. And if you put more PSI, like 45 PSI in the tires, definitely will be faster. And now you know everything about this APYEAR A1 electric bicycle, which is foldable, affordable, comfortable to ride, with both shock, fork and frame shock, which give you a little bit smoothness. And the benefit of the scooter is amazing for people who is looking for something like transportation, short transportation, go to work, school, pleasure, or just go to grocery shop, because you can take this bike inside. You can take it on the bus, easy to fold, you can put it in a car. It's one of the best benefit I find when you're going somewhere and the parking too expensive. You can put it in a trunk, remove the bike and ride it. The battery is pretty large, so it can go for long distance as well, but I don't prefer to ride long distance on the mini scooters or mini bicycles. So I would use this bike usually as a scooter would, throttle only, and the throttle only speed, as you could see, with my weight on 19 miles an hour. With your weight might be better if you're lighter. Again, it's a most affordable electric bicycle for ridiculous price, with the largest battery on the market for these mini bicycles. And they're available on TikTok shop, link in description, and I also find them on Amazon, so I will list Amazon link as well. And if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel to see more videos about electric bicycle or scooters. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.